So right now, I just realized something forming for the Internet Computer ICP price inside the daily time frame, and not many people are talking about this, so you don't want to miss what I have just spotted. And this really presents a big buying opportunity for Internet Computer ICP. So let's move straight into the charts right now. And quick recap, in my previous video for ICP, we talked about the levels to look out for. We talked about these minor support levels. The first level of support is $11.8, and the next minor support is $11.5. And finally, the ultimate level of support is this VWAP at around $11 exactly. And right now we have seen ICP first bounce from these minor support levels and broke to the downside. We had another bounce right here at the support, and now we're breaking towards the downside. So I believe that at this momentum we're going right now, we may most likely see ICP continue to dump towards the downside to $11. So keep an eye on this level right now. And like I've said in my previous video, a break below this level of $11 would make me flip bearish. Just be warned about that. Now, let us talk about what I have really spotted inside the daily time frame. You don't want to miss this because this is major news that not many people are talking about right now in the crypto YouTube space. So I have to inform you guys about what I have just spotted and how this could be a potential huge buying opportunity for ICP. So take a closer look right now into your screen, into the charts. You can clearly see that in the daily time frame, Internet Computer ICP has formed this pattern, which is a head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish pattern, by the way. So just be warned about this. This is a bearish pattern, and the neckline is located right here. So what are the scenarios that we could expect right now since we have formed this potential head and shoulders pattern for ICP inside the daily time frame? So first off, it will be very, very crucial right now for ICP, Internet Computer, to stay above the neckline and hold it as support, because once we do, or the moment we do see ICP have a break below the neckline, that would be the most bearish signal, and we could expect possibly more movements towards the downside essentially. Now let us measure the target for this head and shoulders pattern. If we do ever see ICP Internet Computer break towards the downside or break below the neckline, so if we see ICP Internet Computer break below the neckline, we are looking potentially at a target of around $8.4 US. That is the target for this head and shoulders pattern inside the daily time frame. That is if we do see ICP break below the neckline. That's if we do see ICP break below the neckline, then we are presented with a massive buying opportunity for Internet Computer ICP. But this can be easily invalidated if we do see ICP have a bounce immediately and move towards the upside, specifically at this next major resistance at $14. But if we do see ICP break below the neckline, just be warned, we could see ICP have more bearish momentum or more bearish volatility. So be warned about this. The target is $8.4 if we do break below the neckline, but again, this can be invalidated if we do see ICP have a bounce immediately towards the upside. So essentially, this is what I want to warn you guys about. And if you guys would like to learn on how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.